They're plotting against me. They're trying to get out. They're trapping each other, trying to get out of this maze. One of them I couldn't believe her face, but instantly it gets it. All of them go out to go and plan their victory against me. There's all four of them going to the very edge of the earth. They're all going very slowly. Wow, this is bad quality. They're all slowly going towards the shade so they can slumber. The buddies go ahead and take their little nap while they plot to escape this house. It seems so big to them. I seem like a giant, but they all know they will get out of here. And their one goal is go to destroy and take over the world.